Hey there, folks. Today, I want to dive into a topic that's been buzzing around the wellness scene, lymphatic drainage. You might be wondering, why is everyone suddenly obsessed with this ancient technique? Well, get ready for a deep dive into the world of debloating and its rising popularity. You know that feeling when you've had one too many cheat days and your body feels like a balloon? That's bloating, and it's a common issue many of us face. But here's the twist. Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Kim Kardashian have been raving about lymphatic drainage as their secret weapon to combat this. And guess what? It's not just for the red carpet anymore. Lymphatic drainage has gone from a niche treatment to a full-blown wellness trend. Social media has played its part, showcasing the transformation from puffy to polished. But what's fascinating is how it's not just a fad. This technique has ancient roots, and its benefits are backed by science. It's like discovering a hidden gem that's been right under our noses. Here's the deal. Our modern sedentary lifestyle is a bloating nightmare. We're sitting for hours, and our lymphatic system pays the price. But lymphatic drainage is like a superhero, flushing out toxins, reducing swelling, and even boosting our immunity. It's a holistic approach to feeling and looking better. What I find intriguing is the shift in the wellness industry. People are seeking deeper connections and personalized care. No more quick fixes. This treatment is all about understanding your body and taking control. And the best part? It's non-invasive, making it accessible and appealing to many. The internet has been a game changer, with experts like Olivia and Georgie Wright sharing their wisdom. They emphasize the importance of simplicity and self-care. From hydration to stretching, these at-home techniques are a gateway to a healthier lymphatic system. And with tools like the Dimple Amani Lymph Body Tool or the Forio Bear 2 Body, you can bring the spa experience home. Now, some might wonder if it's for everyone. The answer is a resounding yes. Lymphatic drainage caters to various needs, from bloating relief to hormonal support. It's a versatile treatment with universal appeal. Imagine a world where we all feel more energized and less puffy. In my opinion, the rise of lymphatic drainage is a reflection of our desire to take charge of our health. It's about embracing natural, effective solutions. So, will you give it a go? I say, why not? It's time to drain the bloat and gain a healthier, happier you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the world of wellness.